Located in the Heights, this beautiful contemporary modern style home exists. Perfectly placed in the middle of both 610 and I-10, it is minutes away from accessing some of the most major freeways. This home also has a close for comfort position around eateries, shopping centers, medical facilities, and entertainment. Not traveling too deep into the neighborhood, we arrived to our destination. This home is the highlight of the street. On any given day, observe individuals walking because this is walking distance to many of the localized establishments. Your opportunity to see this grand home in person is February the 26th from 1 to 4. I can't wait to see you there.